What's up, everybody? We are already departed. Jack's back there. Jack, say what's up.
What's up, man?
We have a 7-hour trip today. It is blowing. I'm talking about blowing. It's gonna be rough out there. But let's see if they like it like that. If it's blowing, we're going. Stay tuned. Whew. We're going fishing. It's blowing. Seriously, it's blowing. Oh. What's up, dog? Stu live bait. Michael, Dad, best baits. Come get them. What we got today?
Yeah, big tail.
Yeah. Hey, Jack. Yeah. It's a blowing.
41.
Fish on!
You did it, baby.
Grab the yellow butt. The yellow butt. Right here. Yep. Put it on the end of it. And go for it, sir. Stay tight, yep. So lift up, reel down, yep. Beautiful job. Woo!
Fish on.
That's right, baby.
It didn't take long, did it?
Beautiful job. So what it is we're scoped out pretty far, so the fight really hasn't started yet because he's gonna start sounding, okay? They're gonna start going down, and when they're straight up and down, they're gonna start doing a tuna circle if it is Mr. Tuna. According to the tail beats, it might be. So, we did have a double up, but it came off. There you go, work that fish. It's on the brand new blackfin rod, baby. Woo! Good tuna, baby. Good tuna. That was a poke, baby. I poked that one. Nice job, sir.
Good job, Dave.
There you go. Very nice blackfin. Good job, sir. Just a nibble off the corner and you could spit it out. There you go. It's not that bad. It's like a salty, irony tuna. Not too shabby.
I always said you needed anything.
Congrats, man. You really did. See you. Beautiful job. Yep. Oh, we got a fisher lady. Woo! She's about it. She knows how to do this.
Be prepared to take that off. I think he's a little bugger.
Sure is, but it'll eat. Oh, flip or die? Flip it. If we lose it, it's okay. Hey! Tuna, baby. More tunas. Let's go. Fish on.
Thought you were gonna get off these.
Yeah. Doubles! Doubles! Get up there, ma'am. All right, so you're under, he's above. So we just gotta see what we can do.
Kevin, hand me one of them yellow ones.
10-4. Get her on there. Beautiful job. I don't know who to watch. Jack, you got that one on the... Oh, Jack's strapped up on the pro.
Yeah.
He's strapped up.
Oh, pussy, come on.
Can you lay his head down?
I had that.
You're up next. Yep. Nice one. Next one's up. You come back my way. And point the rod that way. Beautiful. Doubles.
Doubles, dog. I had that stick on.
I know you did. I know you did. But
Well, these seaweeds are trying to hide the leg.
it's a moose. Where's your loop gonna be? You double tunas, baby! Woo! Yeah. We need a double picture. We need a double picture. Heck yeah.
I have a lot of help from my friend. I just want you to know.
Hey,
when we were
How the hell did you get them on the outside?
oh, it'd be like that.
To you by target 0.
Duh. Okay.
Question or need how to advise.
There's more than one way to hook a fish, okay?
You ain't lying. You're not lying.
Just hurry.
Beauties. Doubles, doubles. Picture time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Good to go. Drop them down. I'm gonna bleed them.
Alright.
Tunas. Deckhand, baby. Get you one. Or two. 15 pounders. No problem. Eat it. Eat it.
Listen to you as you.
Yes? Yes?
Yeah,
Huh?
no, he's not.
Oh, missed the double. Yeah, that's what we like to hear.
There's no give in.
Yeah.
Hooked up to a stump on the bottom.
No stumps in 400. There you go. You got a head lift. I think it's one of those big ones.
I'm starting to think it is.
Yeah, giant fucking tuna, boy. Giant. $30-pounder yet again.
I don't know if they can get bigger than that.
Welcome to Louisiana / Stewart, baby. Tunas. Good job, sir. Let me see it, Jack. Oh my God! Look at that butterball. That's a big one. That's a real big one.
Come here, Dave.
Jeez. Congratulations, Dave. Giant. That's easily a 30-pounder. Easy.
He's a little green still. You got him, Dave?
Yep.
Take this hand and grab under his belly.
That's a bucket full.
Yeah.
How big is he?
Big one.
How big?
I said 30.
30-pounder, baby. Deckhand. Boom, baby. Double mahis.
Flip your mind.
Flip yours in.
Let me see your rod real quick.
Do you want me to gaff it, Jack? Excuse me, sir. I gotta get this gaff out from. Okay, we got one in. You're good. Get the hook off of that. You can come on over. You need help coming over?
Yeah.
No worries. Flip them in, flip them in, flip them in.
Ready?
Yep. In there, me house. Woo! There you go. Yeah, mahi baby.
Pretty fish.
Yep. All right, just gonna wrap it up. We're heading back in. It's still pretty sporty out, as you can tell. But we have, we caught blackfin tunas, multiple ones. Biggest one was 30 pounds, which you saw that. And then on the way in, we saw a floating mat, so we decided to pull some live baits out there. So we doubled up on mahi, and then we are heading back to the ramp. You want Jack to fillet something today?
I play it every day.
What do you want to see, the blackfin or the mahi? We've done a giant mahi one yesterday. I haven't posted that video yet, but what do you want to do? Tuna or the mahi?
I'd say tuna.
All right, 30 pounder or the other one?
Yeah.
We're doing the 30 pounder, so stay tuned. Sword fillet knife, here we come. Back at the dock. There's our blackfins, giant one there. There's our mahis. Jack's gonna go to the table, and you know the deal, guys. Cut him up. Off to the races. 30 pound blackfin tuna. Cuts at the head. Straight down the spine, the lateral line. So you get two different loins. Look at the size of that eyeball. All that big old fish on Seaworks fluorocarbon. 30 pound fluorocarbon, baby. How many tunas do you think you filleted?
A lot.
Just a round number.
Oh. 80?
It's a lot of tuna. I honestly think it's probably more than that. There's your loin. Y'all witnessed it here. Woo! All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for us today. I know, usually we do the outro inside the car, but we're gonna do it at the plate table. Till next time, peace.